This is a 1978 Honda Z50, also known as the Monkey Bike. The Honda Z50 started life as an attraction at Tamatek Park, a Honda-owned motorsports theme park in Japan. It proved to be so popular that Honda decided to mass manufacture them in the late 1960s. Powered by a 49cc four-stroke engine, generating just 4.5 horsepower, it was capable of reaching speeds up to 35 miles an hour and proved very popular around the world. This one in particular has been well used and well loved. For $500, it came with a military green paint job and a handful of new parts. This includes new engine and transmission components, new brake components, an upgraded suspension, new Kickstarter, and a new muffler cover. However, to get it into running shape, I'm going to have to put some work into it. So for starters, the gas tank leaks and needs to be replaced. The front brake is loose and needs to be tightened. The throttle assembly needs to be replaced, and the ignition coil needs to be hooked up. Lastly, the front tire might have a leak in it, so it might need to be replaced as well. I'm going to be working on this bike to get it back in shape over the next few months, and if you want to watch and follow along, click like and subscribe, and hopefully you'll enjoy what's coming. Cheers.